You are about to share something. You saw it in a WhatsApp group. It looked real. It felt urgent. And your thumb is already on the forward button. What if I tell you that AI could tell whether that story you're about to share is real or whether you're about to destroy your credibility with one tap? Your credibility takes years to build, but it could be destroyed in seconds. Use AI to protect this gap. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will have simple practical AI system that you can use to test the credibility of any information before sharing them. My name is Tolulope Oyejide, and as a machine learning engineer, I have spent years building AI systems that sort truth from noise. But here's what I've learned. You don't need to be an AI engineer before you can make use of these tools. You just need to know how to use these tools. That's why I have created Everyday AI Explain, to simplify AI for everyday people, businesses, and leaders across Africa and beyond. Because AI should not be a privilege. It should be your competitive edge. Here's what research tells us and what I have also seen firsthand. People don't share fake news because they are foolish. They share fake news because they are fast. In Nigeria, Kenya, and other parts of Africa, WhatsApp is our primary news channel. A story drops, then emotion spike, and within seconds, it's been forwarded 500 times. By the time the correction comes out, the damage is already done. I have also seen businesses share their unverified financial news that damage their customer trust. I have seen leaders reshare political fabricated stories that damage their brand permanently. The stakes are real. Copy the headline or claim and open ChatGPT or perplexity. Then type, is this claim accurate? What do credible sources say about this? These AI tools are connected to the web in real time. In seconds, they cross-reference the claim against thousands of verified sources. Not all sources are equal. Tools like NewsGuard and Google Fact Check Explorer rate news assets on credibility. If the site publishing the story has a track record of misinformation, you will know before you share. Paste the article into Claude and ask, what are the red flags in this article that suggest it could be misleading? Claude will analyze the language, check for emotional manipulation, identify missing citations, and flag one-sided frame. This is like having a senior journalist review your content before posting it. Now let me show you how this played out for a real business owner. Let's call her Adaeze. She runs a fashion business in Lagos with 8,000 followers on Instagram. A few months ago, a viral post claimed that a major Nigeria bank was about to collapse. Panic was spreading, but before forwarding it to her business community, she ran it through this 3-step system that I've explained. Perplexity found no credible source confirming the claims. NewsGuard flagged the publishing site as unreliable. Claude identified that the article was using fear-based language with zero verifiable data. She didn't share it. 3 days later, the story was confirmed as fabricated, and the people who shared it faced public embarrassment. Adaeze community called her the one who keeps us grounded. That's what AI can do for you. It does not replace your judgment. It empowers it. A quick pause here, please. If this is already adding value to you on how you think about AI, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week I break down practical AI tools and strategies that help you work smarter, lead better, and stay ahead of the curve. Don't miss the next one. Here's my final thought. We live in the age of information overload, and in that environment, the most powerful thing you can be is someone that can be trusted. AI is not just about productivity, it's also about integrity. It's about being the voice in your network that people can rely on, not because you post the most, but because what you post is always worth reading. And that is the Everyday AI Explained mission. Not to make you dependent on technology, but to make you sharper, better, and more credible with it. So next time when you thumb over the forward button, pause, run the check using the AI system I've shown you, and protect the gap. If you found this useful, subscribe so you never miss a breakdown. Drop a comment below. Tell me if you have ever shared something that you later realize is fake. What happened? Let's talk. Link to all the tools I mentioned in this video are in the description below. Next video drop soon. Don't miss it.